Oh, I saw that one. Now we're under a tornado watch. It's calmed down since this went over us, but it's coming from that direction. So there's a bunch of shit happening over there. I caught a lightning bolt on camera. I think if the frame rate was right, I probably would have caught it. Nope, there goes another one. About to start up again. Almost like a little mini hurricane. That's crazy. And then it just went over the eye of the storm. Yep. Sirens already. There's an electrical spark down that way. Might be in a different neighborhood. No down trees or anything. Not yet. We got the rest of this to deal with.